Good morning, how you guys doing? These are some Eddoes I harvest and I'm basically getting ready to cook them. Eddoes is a plant that you can eat the leaf and it also produces food under the ground. So it's a very good plant. I think you should have. Studies state that it's rich in nutrients, it have a lot of fibers. It's a healthy plant as studies state. Okay? So I had a beautiful harvest and now I'm going and get ready to cook some Eddoes. I'm going and peel them and make a nice ital. Yes guys, so this is what I'm talking about. Beautiful Eddoe harvest. Alright guys, so right now I'm peeling the Eddoes. I'm peeling them because I'm getting ready to cook them. So I'm peeling off the skin. You see, Eddoe is almost something like potato. It's the same thing. You peel off the skin. So I have a bowl they are already peeled. So I'm getting ready to cook them. A nice ital with some pepper. You know, and a few things added together. All right, so this is the peeling. You can use these skin and add in your raised bed. Wonderful for your plant. This work really well in your raised bed. These skin, amazing. All right. So yes, guys, this is I'm just showing you how I peel them. And this is what I have so far, which I'm also gonna peel more, but this is what I have so far. I'm gonna show you how I wash them and how I prepare them for cooking. All right, guys, so now we already peel up Eddoes, we already wash them. So what we're going to do now, we're going to cut them to the sizes that we need. Okay, so like this one, we could cut this in two. Just in two. If they're small, then you don't need to cut them. You could just leave them in that same size. So all we do, we cut them to the size that we need them to be. If you want, you could keep them whole. But I'm just cutting them in two, at least. If they're big enough, then I cut them in three. So this is Eddoe looking just like potato. You could boil them and you could mash them just like potato. You could also boil them, mash them, and make porridge. All right? All right, guys, so this is what we're doing right now. We're cutting up the Eddoes. And we're getting ready to prep them to put them in the pot. Wash them up clean again and put them in the pot. All right, so this is what we're talking about. Eddoes and getting ready to cook Eddoes. Okay, guys, I have some black eyed peas, pepper, onion, and garlic boiling here. So this is what I'm going to be using to eat with my Eddoes. All right, guys, so the pot is basically boiling right now. And as you see, we have the Eddoes. We already cleaned them and washed them. So what we're going to do now, we're going to throw them down inside the pot. I have another bowl, so hold on for me. Yeah, so we're going to throw them down in the pot. What we're going to do, well, I do not cook with salt. So I'm not putting no salt. I'm not putting no flavor to this pot. The only thing I'm going to be putting into this pot is some pepper. And basically, that's it. Some onion and garlic and just allow it to boil long. I also have a pot with some black eyed beans and pepper and stuff. So I'm just going to allow this to boil long. Show you when it finished. And then I prepare the meal and show you the outcome. All right, guys, after 45 minutes, the Eddoe had been cooked. So how you know an Eddoe cooked? You take a sharp object and you push it down. And once it goes through the Eddoe, just like this, easy without any resistance, that means the Eddoe is cooked. Okay? So So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to prepare my meal. Then I'm going to show you how it looks. All right? All right, guys. Well, this is the result. This is the Eddoes. And as you see, we have some tomato. We have black eyed peas that we cook up with garlic, onion, and sweet pepper. No salt added. We have a few tooth pepper there to add some spice to this dinner. So this is how we do the Eddoes. I also have some in a bowl right here. So I'm going to show you how we do it as well. We also mash them like if you mashing potato. All right, guys, so we mashing it just like if we mashing potato, and just like this, you could create whatever meal you want, just like how you create with the potato. You can also use this and make porridge. If you continue boil it, it's gonna get real soft, and you could make porridge with it. So just like that, it looks just like sweet potato, like mashed potato. So this is it, guys. This is it. This is how you prepare Eddoes. This is just one way. There's many other ways you can do it. All right. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.